You searched how to buy shares of VERV US CVR, and this video will show the basic steps. VERV trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VERV US CVR, and this is educational content, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VERV US CVR to locate the instrument. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the merger CVR description. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the security. Verify the ticker VERV US CVR and NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to platform rules. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.